All right, so here we are trying to understand a noise in an electronic system. So there are fundamentally two types of noise that dominate performance of an electronic circuit or a system. One is called as 1 over F flicker noise. It is also called as pink noise, as shown by this linearly varying line and in pink, and it is called as 1 over f noise because it is proportional to the reciprocal of the frequency. So on the y-axis you see we express a noise density or density of noise expressed in volts per root hertz, and on the X scale, here is shown as a logarithmic scale for the frequency starting from a DC essentially or very low frequency, 10 hertz, up to a very high frequency. So you see that this noise, the pink noise, is decreasing as the frequency increases, or in other words, we say it increases as the frequency decreases. So, in the low frequency region, or let's say a DC region where your circuit design takes place or your system is operating, this noise have a higher magnitude, and this is a dominating noise. On the other hand, this blue line or magenta color, you see that it's called as broadband noise or a thermal noise, or also called as white noise. It is primarily present in all semiconductor devices and a resistor, and it is called as uh, constant. It is a broadband noise, and it is constant throughout the range of frequency, starting from DC to a very high frequency. So you see that in the high frequency region, in the broadband region, this noise, thermal noise, has a higher magnitude, order magnitude, several orders of magnitude high as compared to the flicker noise here, right? And in the low frequency region, as we stated earlier, this noise is lesser in magnitude as compared to the flicker noise. So when you design electronic circuit, you need to consider which operating frequency you are using for your circuit design, and accordingly try to optimize that specific noise. There is a one point called as the intersection of both of these noise. This is a point at a specific frequency. It is shown around, let's say, 1 kilohertz. This is called as FC, or corner frequency, which indicates an intersection between the 1 over F noise and the thermal noise. Okay, so that is your noise. Here is another picture when you are talking about designing an electronic system on the PCB or at the integrated circuit level. This noise uh, dominates. Again, the input noise density expressed in nanovolt per root hertz. You see it starts from 1 nanovolt per root hertz up to 10, and it is also having this negative values. But this dotted white line indicates a thermal noise, a broadband noise, which is constant over all range of frequency. On the other hand, the yellow line indicates the flicker noise, which dominates the low frequency or DC region, and then it is constant or decreasing as the frequency goes up. Okay, so that is all about trying to understand the basics of these two noise in analog systems. And accordingly, a circuit designer can refer this knowledge to design and optimize the performance of electronic system. So hope you found this model useful. If you did so, share it with others for wider reach and stay tuned for more engaging content like this. Till then, wish you happy learning.